colleagues, on behalf of Oreo Minds, I want to invite you to visit our seminar in Moscow, November 2023, from the 6th to the 8th November. We will talk about occlusal factors and the importance of these factors in prosthodontic rehabilitation. Several topics will be highlighted. First of all, vertical dimension of occlusion, including the need for a prosthodontic cephalometry, how to calculate, how to implement, how to check vertical dimension. A topic with a never-ending discussion, bite registration, therapeutic position. We will discuss different techniques, but at the end we will say, is it really a matter of a technique? Is it a matter of a material, of an instrument? Or is it a matter of a procedure, a therapeutic procedure? We will find time to discuss the principles of occlusal concepts, canine guidance, group function, balanced, flat occlusion, sequential occlusal concept. What is the best in occlusal rehabilitation? At the end we can say we have to make the best natural occlusion, which is the basic principle of the Slavicek sequential occlusal concept, but it has to be in the correct place, from a vertical, from a sagittal, and from a transversal perspective. It's an individual occlusion based on individual characteristics of this patient. It's not a matter of scientific battle. We want to understand functions. Here, an example of understanding praxing. Praxing not only in the beginning to convince the patient something has to be done. No, during the course of the treatment, we want to objectify, to visualize, and to optimize these functions. Are we able to change this praxing habit? I will show you how this works. Determinants of occlusion. The posterior and the anterior elements, posterior the TMJ, anterior the front teeth, the connection is occlusal plane. We have to bring this occlusal plane in a spheric relationship from a sagittal point of view, that means the curve of Spee, and from a transversal point of view, the curve of Wilson. Then we are already deep into the details of occlusion, the occlusal surface morphology. Cusp-fossa relationship, the occlusal compass, to avoid the so-called interference, but to make a functional occlusion as best as possible. Front teeth, lingual morphology, another crucial part to be re-established in prosthodontic rehabilitation. We can use here the articulator to get this done. And finally, an ongoing discussion, what is the best procedure, what is the best flow chart in prosthodontics? Is it the analog way, still analog? Is it digital? Is it a combination? Can we eliminate all the analog things which we have learned? Is it just digital? Is it CAD/CAM, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing? Or, as we call it, is it wax-cam, analog wax-up, analog design of this occlusion, and then the manufacturing supported by the computer. So a lot of things to be discussed. I want to invite you, don't miss this unique opportunity. Occlusal factors in prosthodontic rehabilitation will take place in Moscow, 6 to 8 November 2023. See you there.